Hi everyone, we're back again with another exciting video. This time, a quick snack called Piyaju in Bengali, or you may know it as a variation of a Daal Pakora, which takes merely minutes to make but is sure to please any last-minute guests arriving at your house. So, let's get right to it. For Piyaju, you will need 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 cup of masoor dal, which you can find at any local grocery stores in the ethnic department, half a cup of chopped onions, 4 or 5 sliced green chilies, and that can be adjusted according to spice tolerance, and half a cup of coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt or according to taste, and last but not least, 1 cup of oil for deep frying. We're going to start off by mashing up the masoor dal using a hand blender. You can also use a mortar or pestle if you don't have a hand blender on shelf. Do it in small patches like this until the dal is just slightly blended with a chunky texture to it like this. Now we're going to slowly add in our ingredients, starting with the onion, coriander, and chilies. Next, add in our salt, baking soda, and turmeric powder, and mix it all in by hand. We're going to continue to mix until everything seems incorporated together. Take a bit of the mixture and form it into a small ball using your hand, then drop it into hot oil and let it cook in medium heat. Use a strainer ladle to move it around in the heat. Turn it over halfway through the cooking process so both sides have a chance to cook evenly throughout. Once the color has turned a bright shade of golden on both sides, strain off the oil and place it on a sheet of kitchen towel to soak up the excess oil. And there we have it. Crispy, crunchy, and very unhealthy. But you won't be able to stop eating it, and neither will your guests. So if you enjoyed this recipe and would like to see more of this, please hit the like and subscribe button now. Thanks for watching.